a natural, renewable material making up vast forests in tropical and subtropical areas. Bamboo is not like conventional wood materials, which can take at least 20 years to regrow. This wonderful resource only takes around 4 to 5 years to fully mature. Therefore, using bamboo products is not only budget-friendly, it is also one of the strongest forces in fighting deforestation. Songmix production team always keeps the user in mind from the very beginning. Our entire bamboo series perfectly combines a natural aesthetic with practical use to reach our sole purpose, bringing you a healthy, fresh, and eco-friendly lifestyle. Cutting, slicing, rough plane, steaming, fine plane, pressing, carving, drilling, assembling, polishing, chamfering. Songmix cooperates with trustworthy factories who value customer experience as much as we do. From raw material to finished product, our bamboo products undergo more than 20 manufacturing processes to ensure perfection at each and every corner. Songmix offers an all-around storage solution covering every room in your home. Whether it is in the entryway, living room, bathroom, or bedroom, you can always find a refreshing way to brighten your living space with natural bamboo. Choose Songmix. Choose a better life.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.